Hey, what's up Rivian community? This is Eric with EV Sportline. We've got a really beautiful R1T in here today for rock sliders, and we wanted to show you a DIY upgrade that's completely optional, where you can essentially modify your factory aero plastic panels that run along the bottom of the truck. You can actually trim these and you can reuse them, and what you get in the end is a really seamless and beautiful custom install where these panels actually are cut and they fit around the installed rock slider and skid plate. So we're going to take you through quick DIY and show you how to do this yourself. Again, this is completely optional. This is not required. It doesn't increase the performance or anything like that, but if you want to reuse these panels, you certainly can. Just takes a little bit of trimming, not hard at all, but we're going to take you through it, so follow along. Let's go. All right, we've made an easy to follow cutting template. The link for that is in the description below, and I'm starting with the center panel here. I've got my line marked on this panel, and I'm just going to take my cutting tool here. If you don't have a power grinder with a wheel, you can literally use an X-Acto knife or like a heavy-duty utility knife. This plastic is fairly flimsy and easy to cut, so don't worry if you don't have power tools, but this certainly makes it a lot faster. So let's get going. So we've got our rear panel marked out. We're gonna cut it real quick, and then we'll be ready to reinstall the plastic panels, and then the slider frame can go up into place. We're ready to reinstall the trimmed panels. Start with the center first, and it just goes right back up, clips into place, and then we'll go either front or rear, doesn't matter. And then we'll reinstall the 3 fasteners at the front. All right, so now we're at the rear. It's going to clip into the back locations and then snap into place like so. And we're ready to install the slider frame. All right, so thanks for following along with this little do-it-yourself install for the custom cut templates. We love the way this looks. It takes a little bit longer, but in the end, it gives you an amazing look, amazing finish for this product. And yeah, thanks for following along. Be sure to check out the template in the link below, and please like and subscribe. We've got a lot of content coming out literally every month on Rivian products. We're working hard over here at EV Sportline, so thanks for tuning in.